We live in the world's largest democracy.
Our capacity to produce coal has doubled since 2007.
India's highways have connected us seamlessly.
New buildings, new roads, new infrastructure, new commerce, a sense of dynamism.
India has more wild tigers than all other Asian countries put together.
We also have more Asiatic elephants, Asiatic wild buffaloes and one-horned rhinos.
ये गर्व की बात है ना?
लेकिन मेरा किसने सोचा?
Your roads have literally torn through my home.
My home is getting smaller.
मेरी खूबसूरत वादियों को काट दिया होटल बनाने वालों ने.
You come into my home, kill me, kill my children.
मेरे घर में शिकारी खुलेआम घूम रहे हैं.
Hundreds of wild animals die just for you to see one such animal in captivity.
For each animal that entertains you in your zoos, hundreds more that share my jungle die.
क्या ये भी गर्व की बात है?
मैं आप लोगों को चुन चुन के नहीं मारता. आप क्यों ढूंढ ढूंढ के मेरी जान लेते हैं?
Our mountain snows are melting. Our rivers are filthy. Our soils are turning lifeless. Our forests...
And the forests are being destroyed. Isn't that great as well?
Beautifully, they're destroying the forest.
Superb, there are no trees.
Absolutely, no trees,
Yeah.
no forest.
Mining coal in tiger forests or drowning them under dam reservoirs is against national interest.
हमारे अपने भारत देश की मिट्टी पर जितना अधिकार हम समझते हैं हमारा है, उतना ही हर प्राणी का है.
ये जंगल और इसमें रहने वाले हम आप सबके लिए बहुत जरूरी हैं.
In truth, I am your Annadata. I feed your rivers.
I am the water you drink. I am the earth itself.
I breathe life into your soils. I control your climate.
I am a creature of the wild.
All I need from you
Space, protection, and isolation.
I am the voice of the tiger.
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 Leave me alone.
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 Leave me the alone.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
हाथ जोड़कर विनती करता जंगल का ये शेर, मेरी जान का पीछा छोड़ो, करो ना इसमें देर.